Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to return Amazon products via Royal Mail. This is a straightforward process that allows you to send back unwanted or faulty items directly through your local post office or Royal Mail drop-off point. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover over it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Orders. This will take you to a page displaying all your recent purchases and order history. Now, although I don't have any active orders to show you right now, I'll walk you through what happens next. On your Orders page, you'll see a list of items you've purchased. Find the item you want to return and click on the button that says Return or Replace Items. This is usually located next to the product image or description. Clicking this will start the return process for that specific item. Next, Amazon will ask you to select a reason for the return. You might see options like item defective, arrived too late, or no longer needed. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. This helps Amazon understand why you're returning the product and may affect how the return is processed. After selecting your reason, you'll be shown several return options. Look for the Royal Mail return option, which might appear as Royal Mail drop-off or something similar. Select this option if it's available. This method allows you to drop off your parcel at any Royal Mail location rather than waiting for a collection. Once you've chosen Royal Mail as your return method, click on Confirm the Return. This finalizes your return request and moves you to the next stage. Amazon will then generate either a return label or a QR code for you. This is what you'll use to send the item back. You can either download and print the label if one is provided, or save the QR code to your phone for easy access. Now take the item you're returning along with the QR code or printed label and head to your nearest post office or Royal Mail drop-off point. If you have a QR code, simply show it to the staff at the counter and they'll scan it for you. If you've printed a label, attach it securely to the outside of your parcel before handing it over. Finally, make sure you keep the receipt they give you as proof of return. This receipt is important because it confirms that you've handed over the parcel and serves as evidence in case there are any issues with the return later on. With that receipt in hand, you're all done and your return is on its way back to Amazon. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.